children. How are you all? I hope you are all good. Welcome to our English class. Children, please take your English book and take page number 100. Today we're gonna learn a new lesson named The Missing Picnic Food. What is the name of the lesson? The Missing Picnic Food. Children, see here. Tick the food items you would like to carry along when you plan a picnic with your friends. So you have to, here they given a few eating items pictures. You have to tick what are the items you will carry along when you go for a picnic. Okay, so if you have more item means you have to fill here also. Okay, good. Let's move on the topic. Once upon a time, there was a forest fire in a big forest. So all the small animals ran fast to get away from the hot flames. All the animals had to find a new home. Few animals went to other forests and few went to the park and few animals went to the villages. Far away from the forest, there was a house where their little children lived. The names Thomas, Kathy, and Carrie. What is the name of the three children? Thomas, Kathy, and Carrie. On Saturday morning, they played near to their house till the lunchtime. They asked food for their mother and she said, "We can sit in the backyard. From there we can eat lunch." The children, they were very happy and they were fully excited. So they started to do all the arrangements. They lay a picnic blanket near old strawberry bushes. The kids spread out the picnic blanket. They ran into the kitchen to help their mom to bring the things in the backyard. So Thomas, Kathy, and Carrie brought their things and arranged. First, they kept a carrot stick and next they went to take the sandwich. When they brought sandwich, the carrot stick was missing. They were very shocked. They went and informed to their mom about that missing carrot. When their mom come back out in the backyard, the sandwich also missing. So they felt very sad. And their mom again she prepared a sandwich, salad and juice. After they had their lunch. During their lunch time, they hear the sound near to the strawberry bushes. They saw something is move near to the strawberry bushes. So everyone looked at the strawberry bushes. It was a rabbit. On seeing them all, it quietly hopped back into the bushes. They thought because of the forest fire, the rabbit came here and to look new home and food. So their mom said, we can feed every day food So they planning to feed every day. On that day onwards, they started to feed rabbit. They started to feed rabbit. After few weeks, the rabbit was missing. They felt very sad. They, they thought because of cold, the rabbit went back to the forest. But every day they will come and search the rabbit near to the strawberry bushes. On April month, that was springtime, they saw the little rabbit come out of the bushes. Thomas, Kathy and Carrie, they felt very happy and started to feed again. One day, when the little rabbit come out to get her food, along with her she had 4 little rabbit. So when they seen that little rabbit, these 3 children, they were very happy. From then onwards, the kids feed the little rabbit also. The rabbit lived happy with her 4 little rabbit in the strawberry bushes. Children, do you like story? Yes. So, we should always very kind to the animals. Now, I am going to ask few questions. Name one animal that ran from the forest. See, squirrel, foxes, snakes, turtles, rabbit, mice and many other animals had to find new homes. Okay, so these animals ran from the forest because of the forest flames. Okay, so you can write any one animal name here. Okay, so backyard, what is the meaning of backyard? An area behind a house. So let's see what went missing at first. Sandwich or carrots? Carrot sticks. Okay, so the carrot stick is missing first. Who ate up their food? Squirrel, rabbit. Who ate up? Rabbit. Okay, so the mummy rabbit had dash little rabbit 4, 5. The mummy rabbit have 4 little rabbits. So let's see the exercises. First one, fill in the blanks. There was a forest in big forest. All the little animals that lived there ran as fast as they would to get away from the hot flames. Mom told them to lay a picnic blanket in the green grassy grass or green meadows. Mom made some salad and some yummy peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Mom made some carrot sticks. Okay, carrot sticks and some yummy peanut butter and jelly sandwich. The children found the carrot sticks missing. Take the correct sentences. Now I am reading only the correct sentences. Okay. Children had a picnic in the backyard by the old strawberry bushes. Mom made some carrot sticks. Here. Mom made some carrot sticks, salads and sandwich for the picnic lunch. A rabbit ate all the carrot sticks. They liked the rabbit and so made it their pet. The rabbit came back after the winter season. So complete the answer. Who were the three children who lived in a house far away from the fir forest? The three children who lived in a house far away from the fir forest were Thomas, Kathy and Carrie. The three children who lived in a house far away from the fir forest were Thomas, Kathy and Carrie. Where did their mom want them to have their picnic? Their mom wanted them to have their picnic in the backyard of the house. Their mom wanted them to have their picnic in the backyard of the house. What did their mom prepare for their lunch? Their mom prepared salads, carrot sticks and some yummy peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Where did they search for the carrot stick and sandwich? They searched for the carrot sticks and sandwich behind trees, bushes and just about everywhere. What did mom think when she saw the rabbit in the backyard? When mom saw the rabbit in the backyard, she thought that maybe because of the forest fire, the rabbit needed to look for a new home and food. So these you have to do page number 108. So we can read FL words: flag, flat, flee, fly, flame, flood, fleet, float, flower. Dry, dream, dragon, dry, drum, dress, drain, trip, drink, drag, draw, drill. Play, place, plot, plum, plain, plate, pluck, plant, pluck. Pray, pride, prank, print, prince, prepare, press, proper, practice. Train, train, trunk, tree, track, trick, trap, triangle, tram. So the grammar section is a preposition. Okay, look at the picture. The cat is sleeping on the mat. The cat is under the table. The dog is near the table. The highlighted word on, under, near show the preposition of the pet. This preposition is called position word. The position words are called preposition. Okay, the position. The noun's position is called preposition. What is preposition? The noun's position is called preposition. The dog is in the kennel. The dog is in the kennel. The cat is sleeping between the boy and the girl. Here in this sentence, in is the preposition and the second sentence between is the preposition. The cat is sitting next to the birds. The cat is sitting next to the birds. Underline the preposition. The ball is in the box. Okay, so preposition is in. Bunches of grapes are kept on a plate. The rabbit is near the tree. This sentence on is the preposition. This sentence near is the preposition. Fill in the blanks. Use in and behind, near, under. Boys are under the roof. Boys are resting on or under on the roof. Jerry is under the table. Jerry is under the table. Marbles are inside of the bottles. The marbles are inside the bottles. Tom the cat is in the well. Manisha is behind the door. Listen and tick the correct comment as your teacher says comment. So see the picture, which command will the correct one. Please keep quiet or please talk. Please keep quiet. The second one, raise your hand. Look at the blackboard. See the picture. Please listen to me carefully. Make noise. Which sentence will match? Please listen to me carefully. So rearrange the words to make proper sentence. Begin your sentence with a capital letter and end with full stop or a question mark. Okay. So if the sentence we have to start the sentence means we should start from the capital letter. At the end of the sentence we should put the question full stop or a question mark. Okay. So we have to arrange. Listen to your teachers. Listen to your teachers. Where is your house? Lata went to the market. Lata went to the market. What is your name? Your tea is getting cold. So this worksheet, everything you have to complete. Okay. Thank you.